Guess where we're headed? The Pacific Northwest! We're headed to Seattle for the holidays. I'm going to be in Seattle for 6 days. I'm stopping in San Francisco on the way up and then Portland on the way down. I'm excited to have a little bit of chilly weather this season so I can wear my sweaters. I'm bringing some knit sweaters, a waterproof jacket, a leather jacket, maybe a dress to go out in, some hiking boots, lots and lots of leggings because I love leggings. And yeah, so let's go pack a suitcase. Got my standard suitcase, my Recaro that I got from Costco. It was like 40 bucks. This is the space I'm working with. It's got straps. So let's pack a bag, shall we? Remember, my biggest tip when packing is wear your biggest, bulkiest things on the plane, in the car, anything that doesn't take up room. For example, this jacket is far too big to put inside my suitcase, so I'm gonna be wearing it or keeping it in the car with me. That way I can still stay warm, stay comfortable, and I can bring more valuable stuff inside my suitcase. So that's my #1 tip. Don't forget it. Have a good holiday, guys.